Well, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me, but if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Today I'm using the Dr. Miracle's products, and I'm going to start with this Detangling Pre-Shampoo Treatment. And I'm going to be using these products on my 3-year-old toddler's hair and my 8-year-old, soon to be 9-year-old hair. And this product has so much slip. Like, I like this product. I'm going to make sure that I restock up on this because I usually use conditioner in a spray bottle to apply to the hair to detangle it before I shampoo it. If I have time, usually that's what I do. But this right here, it just has so much slip, and it just does a great job with detangling the hair and prepping it for the shampoo process. When you add water to this pre-shampoo treatment, it's just a whole nother level of slip and detangling. Oh, she's so dramatic.
It hurt, Mommy.
What hurt?
My hair.
No, it doesn't hurt. She really tender-headed. It just glides right through, like, oh my goodness. So slippery. So this is what Shauma's hair looked like with just this detangling pre-treatment. Like, your girl can go do a wash and go with this. And let me just warn you, my background is going to be loud because it is what it is. I have a large family, and it's hard to get away to do a voiceover, so you're just going to have to bear with us, okay? But all my old people, you know how it go over here. It's loud and everything else. So I'm not going to even try to make everybody be quiet. I'm just going to keep it real. I'm using the cashmere and caviar hair bath on her hair now.
It's like bubbles.
Yes, bubbles.
Bubbles,
I did it the first time with the pre-treatment in it, and then the second time by itself. Now I'm going to add this length retention leave-in cream. It smells really good too. Like, it has that rosemary. It has like this clean, refreshing smell to it. And this leave-in is really thick, as you can see, but it has some slip. So I'm able to easily work it through the girl's hair. I'm able to restyle their hair with it and do some detangling. Stay tuned to the end of this video for the ingredient list of the 3 products. And these products were received in our March Curl Kit. See how it defines the curls? It defines the curls so good. And I can detangle with it as well. Work it through the hair really good. I use the leave-in cream and the oil, the scalp oil, as a sealant in their hair when I style their hair. Look at there. So pretty. So this is what Sedina's hair looked like in a wash and go state before it dries, of course. So pretty much the products I would repurchase, definitely repurchase the pre-shampoo treatment. I feel like it's necessary now that I've used it. The oil, I like the leave-in cream with the oil on top of it. It kept the hair moisturized when I styled it. And if you want to see the video of where I styled their hair after this, then I'll link it in the cards right here, and you can go and check out that video. I did them an updo, and you can kind of see Shauma's hair over there in the background, but I do invite you to go and watch the full video. Well, you have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get all notifications. And make sure you check out other videos on our channel. Share, comment, and until next time, Lord say the same, you will see us in the next one. Keep it curly, keep it straight, keep it protected, keep it you.